சூப்பரா இருக்குப்பா விநாயக், நல்லா இருக்கு. Everyone can hear me? Hello guys, very nice to see you all. Hi friends, hi Chandra, hi Anushman, Argya, Arvind, Fazal, Robin. Nice guys, nice. I am also pleasant and I am also happy to hear you. Vaibhav, Neeraj Patel, the topper is coming. Sandeep, yeah, Paul, Rajiv, Suman, so many is there joining now. Still, so many are joining. Sumit, Rajiv Ranjan, yeah, Paresh Desai, Abhayanand, CS, Ronaldo. Hi guys. Once again, feeling sultry. OnePlus. Yeah. Hi guys, able to hear me? Audibility is okay? Mic has fallen down. Yeah. Abhishek. Yeah. Hi iPhone. Don't keep your name as iPhone, my dear friends. Harish, Revant, Tota, Siddhartha. Yeah. Vanakkam, Namaste. Happy morning to all dear friends. So today just I wanted to have a few discussion because as we anticipated, the exam date has been announced. Yeah, fine Praveen, fine. I request you to keep your queries ready, because I'm here to guide you and I'm here to suggest something for you all. Okay, so I'm really happy and I'm really our team, concept team is really excited because in the month of July we able to do the best work for you all. Somehow I can tell our team is really fast enough and did the job, and we are very happy for that. Actually, we are really proud for that, because as anticipated, we were thinking, even I was telling initial days, be ready for exam in the month of September. Okay, because even some news also were circulating, like in month of September exam is possible. So as we planned, as we were thinking, the exam also is scheduled on month of the September. So for September 15th, almost we have leave the 15 days of July. So July, 15 days in July, August 1 month. So a solid 2 months are there for you to prepare. It is not the matter of preparation, for you to revise. That's what I will tell. Because you have to revise two things. One is urology, number two is Bailey and Love. So for just follow a few tips which will be really helpful for upcoming exam. Okay, as a rule of thumb, please don't read new things. Okay, whatever you have listened during 12th edition update, please listen to that once. And first I will tell you how to go ahead with the facing the exam in the matter of preparation. Number two, I will tell you how to face the exam on the day of the exam. Okay, so first I will tell you how to prepare for the exam. So 60 out of 60 question in urology, even last year our students like Zain Tamboli all were telling, like almost 56 questions came directly from our material, sir. That was the feedback from Zain Tamboli. He is now at SGPGI Lucknow. So so what it infers, the revision makes a difference. So I was telling people who have read a Campbell review, the point, extra points whichever being given in the Campbell review, please add it to the your material, your notes. Suppose somebody is not preparing the concept notes, or somebody, it is free for everyone, somebody has not given in the concept, don't worry. Whatever materials you have prepared, whether a concept notes or the material whichever you have prepared, whichever you had in your hand already, you had given a well reading in the Campbell, those things you add extra points into that. Okay, there is no point of revising 2 materials or 3 materials at a time. So it will be really tedious. Okay. So don't make that mistake. If any extra point you might have felt has not even still not have been added to your notes, please do it in the next 7 days. Okay. So today is July 7. So take another 8 days up to July 15. Whatever updation you want, please do it. After that, make it only revision, revision, revision. So number 2, first I said, like, stick on to the content, whatever you have read, and you have to revise. That's all. Okay, that's a golden rule. That is a point for winning. Okay, number 1 and the best point of winning is revision, 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 nothing else. So what is when we undergraduate days, what our professor used to teach for etiology for mitral stenosis, the etiology for mitral stenosis is rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever, rheumatic fever. Same thing. The success of urology NEET SS exam is, or any exam in whatever exam you face is, revision, revision, revision. So how we have to revise? So art of revision. So in the art of revision, I said, you stick on to one content. Even I have heard my dear achievers who are doing in residency at various parts of the states, they used to tell me personally whenever I meet, they used to tell, sir, even though I'm a first year resident, whatever my professor asked question, even though it was a tough question, we were in a position to answer, because revision, 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 the content, even the page memory they have. So concept notes, thermal ablation, it is there on the right side, sir. We know that. So we know the difference between RFA and thermal ablation. So RFA and cryoablation. So it is very easy for us even during our resident period. This was the feedback from the dear students. So the key for success is revision. Why I am stressing these points too much is, when you read new points, when you read new books at this point of time, definitely it will be cumbersome. Okay, definitely your heads will rotate. So don't do that job. So $1 million question, whether to go with the 11th edition or 12th edition, sir. PJ asked 11th edition, AIMS asked 12th edition. What to do, sir? So in the last 25 days, concept team has done updates, has given the updates in such a way. Some differences between the 11th edition and 12th edition were explained. So don't make a habit of taking Campbell 12th edition book or Campbell review books right now. Please, my dear friend, don't do that. However strong in your knowledge you may be very strong, you may be very, very good, but don't do that. Please, my dear friends. Okay. So definitely it will make a tough time for you. I will just tell the secret of success. 40 questions of Bailey and Love, no change in edition. The 27th edition remains the same. Okay, or whatever the edition, Bailey and Love, the last one is not changed. Please read 40 questions for the Bailey and Love. Revise. The solid 40 questions. So another 40 questions from Campbell. Out of 60 questions, 40 questions from the Campbell definitely will be from the will be common for 11th and 12th edition. If at all I can say 20 questions may come if suppose from the 12th edition. If you take from the 12th edition, I am putting an edge higher end so that I can the following words can satisfy you for secret of winning the 12th edition. Can you understand? So 48 points, 40 questions from Bailey and Love, I am thorough. 40 questions from either from a 11th edition or 12th edition, I am thorough. Because 40 points, 40 MCQs will be common. There is no big update, big change. Remaining 20 questions, if suppose the examiner wants to ask from the 12th edition how to face. Okay, my dear friends. So examiner wanted to ask from the 12th edition, they can ask AJCC update, 12th edition update. They can ask from prostate cancer, lot of changes in cancer prostate. In addition to these things, whatever we have given for 12th edition update is very concise. Urogynecology, no change. Stone disease, not much change. AJCC, much change. Prostate cancer, much change. And first 20 chapters, there was a lot of updates which I have shared you, and even few chapters I have to add. I will do it before in few days. Okay. So if 20 questions are supposed to be asked from the 12th edition, definitely it won't be beyond what we have discussed, or if at all beyond what we have discussed, let it come. There is no time. You can't. It is like a biggest mistake if you go and touch a 12th edition, because definitely you will make some mistakes that will make a big difference. So how to go with that? High yield in any exam in urology point of view are tumors, stones, very high yield, tumors, stones, trauma, undescent testis, hypospadias, and conduits like ileal conduit, orthotopic neobladder. The core basics, first 20 chapters, renovascular hypertension. In the first 20 chapters, how to arrest bleeding, that chapter which contains BioGlue, etc. So these are all the areas generally examiner love to ask more. One question urodynamic study will come, but for that you have to think so much to answer the urodynamic study. Still, sometimes it will be tough to answer. So those are the areas where the questions will come. Still, it will be tough for everyone. But tumor, stone, first 20 chapters in the basics, if you read, you will answer. Urodynamic study, even if you are thorough, you may not able to answer. So that gray area will be for everyone. Urogynecology, PopQ, all those scores may not be asked. Even if they asked, that will be tough for everyone. If you are thorough in that, well and good. But I don't know about urodynamic study, how to tell, because one or two question comes every time the students tell, sir, I guess this, I guess that, I do not know the exact answer. But have some fixed concepts in urodynamic study. Don't go too deep. Have some fixed concept. Learn about uroflowmetry, different types of curves in uroflowmetry. Those things will help you. In the high yield area, always I tell you, we have this the first time we have consolidated uroanatomy, urophysiology, uroradiology. I told the faculty also in uroanatomy, give importance for small conditions or small structures like seminal vesicle, vas deferens, prostatic utricle. The examiner will love to ask a question from those topics, those areas. Last time the blood supply of seminal vesicle was one of the question I asked in its specialty. I was telling the same, even the notes which I have given, the blood supply of seminal vesicle was there. Vasectomy is one of the high yield area. The examiner love to ask the vasectomy. So the vasectomy chapter for a 12th edition update, I have not given, I will give you shortly in 1 or 2 days. So these all about the high yield area. So be thorough with the high yield area. Okay, you should not make a mistake. Okay, how to know whether the questions has been asked from the 11th edition or 12th edition? So when you face the exam, my dear friends, when you face the exam, please don't be hasty. I always tell, you know the answer, yes, answer it. So the latest AGC staging is, for example, T3 staging. If you luckily you get a first question, the T3 staging of carcinoma penises Option 1, subcutaneous involvement. Option subepithelial involvement. Option B, corpora spongosa plus or minus urethra. Option C, corpora cavernosa plus or minus urethra. Option D, involvement of scrotum. If suppose, if you get this question as a first question, that means the question bank, the question setter has taken all the question from 12th edition. Don't worry, even if all questions has been asked from the 12th edition, out of 60 questions, 40 questions will be common, definitely will be common. There won't be any change. There won't be any change in the anatomy. There won't be any change in the renovascular hypertension, physiology, radiology, nothing. But this gives an bird's eye view. Yes, this is a question is T3 staging is corpora cavernosa plus or minus urethra is AJCC 8th edition. So you can, because with updates in your hand, you can face further 60 questions in urology accordingly from the Campbell 12th edition. Suppose you do not know whether even up to the 60 questions, it is really tough to find out whether it is a 12th edition or 11th edition. Don't worry, if you are really tough to find out whether it is 11th edition or 12th edition, then all the questions has come from only 11th edition. It is not from the 12th edition. Okay. I am telling again and again, time management is very important. Don't sit and think and feel like anything. Oh my God, I miss that girl. Such that feeling should not be there. I compare this with when we look for alliance. So if this happens in arranged marriage, love marriage, of course, you propose 3 or 4, or some people very target oriented and they go behind one girl and finally they will have a wonderful partner. Those are the people I have seen. AIIMS, PGI, they will be following like anything for into the AIIMS and PGI. Only one girl, AIIMS urology, PGI urology. They will be continuously following that girl, AIIMS urology or PGI urology. Yeah, there are people too, in a matter of 2 years or 3rd year, they will they get into the AIIMS or PGI. Very stubborn people, perseverance, hardworking. Hard work everyone will do, but the stubbornness and perseverance, the real surgeon spirit. Okay, tough man. They are very tough people actually. Hats off to you all, guys. But it is there only few members, and the seats are also very few seats in AIIMS and PGI, and in a batch, very few good-looking girls. And in your community was searching for arranged marriage, you have only very few good-looking girls. So as a male should marry a female, okay, not otherwise around. A female should marry a girl. Sorry, a female should marry a male. So for that, I can say for average people, for above average people, I always tell concept is for average and above average people. AIIMS Walas and the PGI Walas, if they are really gold medalists in undergraduate and postgraduates, really it is their effort. I won't take effort of concept. But I'm really happy Ankur, Amit is really a passionate man. As I said, very strong man. Ankur is like managing his duty in a hospital where he is working, and he rocked as the first year in PGI. Ankur. So he's I can tell a concept here. Amit is a real hard worker, real perseverance, a man for AIIMS, a man for a good-looking girl, something like that. So coming into the point, it is like many times when we look for a partner, we look for a 1, 2, 3, 4. We might have because it may be the beginning of your looking for alliance. We might have rejected first, second, third, and later on you will be thinking, "Oh my God, I missed that girl. Oh, finally I have to select this girl." There will be lots of incidents for many boys who have had arranged marriage, or even for a girl who had arranged marriage. So this kind of thinking should not happen when you read a question and you know the answer, but it doesn't come into your mind. Oh my God, I know this answer. What the hell? How can I forget this? This kind of business should not come to you. Okay. Yeah, this girl, I know this girl very well. This girl rejected me. Okay, I also reject this question. Go to the next question. This attitude makes a difference, my dear friends. This attitude makes much difference, my dear friends. Yeah, I know this question, I answer. I know this question very well, but I don't know the answer. It doesn't click to my mind. I will ignore and I will go to the next question. Very, very important. This attitude is very, very important, my dear friends. Yes, you have done a job. You have completed. Yeah, you have a confidence. Yeah, this has been asked from the 11th edition. No, this has been asked in the 12th edition. Whatever you have done. Suppose you in the later on the period, you know, come to know this is a 12th edition question. If you manage your time in nice way, you have ample time to come back and find out whatever the questions from the 12th edition update will be corrected. Am I right? So manage your time is a key important for the success. Of course, Bailey and Love, the revision for the Bailey and Love, again, please revise the Bailey and Love content. If you have a Bailey notes, or if you are a fresher, you are very strong in the Bailey and Love, please revise again and again, because again the examiner allowed to ask from the general aspects of the Bailey and Love. First 22 chapters and trauma and burns, those are the areas at least you will get 10 questions minimum. Again, high yield area. For urology, they will ask surgical gastroenterology question from Bailey and Love. I think this will satisfy your preparation. And the last one I want to tell before coming into the chat and doubt clearing, the last point I want to tell you. We have 60 days. In upcoming days, we have totally 60 days. So what I want to just do, I think about it, about you guys are, just we will give you one exam based on 11th edition, not 12th edition, based on 11th edition Campbell, and 40 questions from Bailey and Love. Just one mock test we will conduct. This will be conducted because already is July 7, another 5 days, 7 days, July 15, we'll be updating things. So we will conduct exactly in the month of August 7. Is it okay? By August 7, yeah, because beyond that you have to revise. By August, today is July 7. We'll pakka 1 month, we will give August 7. Okay. August 15 means September 15. Only 30 days will be there. That will make you panic. I don't want that. Even if you give it in August 7, even if you are somehow your partner is irritating and you got some rank behind than the expectation you had, there will be some time you will have some remodeling in your mind and you can gear up for your preparation. All our exam preparation is based on your partner. For a married person, the golden dictum, very, very golden dictum is don't rub with your partner. Okay, guys, able to understand? Don't rub with your partner. If your partner says, hey, come here, go there and tell, sweetheart, what do you want? I am there for you. I am your slave. I am here for you, baby. Tell those sweet words. Your next 2 months will be pleasant. Don't rub with your partner. Many female urologists are also there. Don't rub with your partner. Learn to tell sweetheart, baby, my baby, whatever, my honey. Find those good words from Google. Even I am very poor in that. Okay. Always Even if you are married for 10 years, even if you tell your wife, hey, you are looking so good today, she will love it. She will love that words. And she will tell, hey, okay, you escape, you go and read. See, one word makes how big difference. Okay. So you need 2 months pleasant time, my dear friends. That is very, very important. If already anybody is in looking for alliance, please wait for some time. Don't give any words. Okay. Ask them to wait for next 2 months. Okay, we can aram say you can marriage a person. No, nowhere they will go. Tell them in 2 months I will talk about this. Tell your dad or your mother. Don't take any chance of accepting an alliance, because they will you will have a good time only for the first 2 months, but because you will be spending a lot of time over the phone, but that will destroy your time. And you even you anybody you are freshers, I mean yet to marry, please, once alliance is fixed, don't spend your time over the phone. Your life will become hell after marriage, because boy generally blabber all their weakness, all their family weakness, and the female will automatically will dominate you, will irritate you. Okay, not the matter of domination, will irritate you. Okay, don't make a mistake of blabbering everything in phone once marriage is fixed. Okay, I will come to the point. Yes, guys, I will come to your discussion. Yeah. Before that, please don't put your chat. I'll just answer few chats now. Eagerly waiting for okay those things. Previous one. Yeah, fine, my dear. What about going for guess work? What should go or leave it? See, whoever is there already in job, please don't go for a job for next 2 months. If possibility for putting a leave, please take a leave. Possibility to quit the job, please quit the job. 2 months, no job. Okay, very important question. Second year PG in the end. Second year PG, you have a lot of time, man. Don't worry. Okay. In the third year, you read Bailey and Love thoroughly. 40 question wholesome from Bailey and Love. Be thorough in that. Best way to master the Bailey and Love is catch your UG final year students and teach. When you teach them, tell concept is a good for coaching, because we are having a franchisee all over India. Okay, dear. So, one stone, two mango. How much to attempt, Paul? How much to attempt is a $1 million question. As far as I have seen, our toppers all have attended many number of questions, maximum questions. Okay, I will tell those things, Paul, near the exam. Not now. I will have another separate session how to give the exam. Not now, but don't have such thinking right now. I will get 100 out of 100. Yes, I am aiming for that, Paul. Like that, you go ahead, my dear friends. What about reading urology, Paul, from urology part from Bailey and Love? The urology part from Bailey and Love has lots of controversies. Bosniak cyst has a controversy. Tumor staging has a controversy. Lots and lots. But ignore the Bosniak cyst, ignore the tumor staging, but lots of good points are also given in Bailey and Love, urology part. Please read the urology part of Bailey and Love also. August 7th, we will conduct the test, my dear friends. One test for all the urology cancer. Pranav, no more test, Pranav. Why, Pranav? Anything important? We will conduct one full test. That's all enough, my dear friend. Even for us to set a question, all are in corona duty. If something happens wrong, even one question, there is a mistake, I will be feeling very sorry for that, my dear friends. So only one test is a full test, 60 question, 40 question Bailey and Love, 60 question from Urology Campbell, 11th edition. 7th August, please give 2 grand tests. No, Paul, one is enough. August 7th. Yes, with negative marking will be there. 2 grand tests. Yeah. We'll think about. Thank you, Love Guru, Dr. Anton. Yes, thank you, my dear friend. Please give 2 grand tests. One test for tumor. New coaching for this marriage matter, sir. You tell me, dear, I will do. I always there, because no one should, neither a female nor a boy should suffer after a marriage. Okay, marriage is a matter for enjoyment. is finding a new person for enjoyment. Okay. I always put a single word about marriage. There are some certain families where female is dominated. There are certain families males are dominated. In a society per se, males are dominated. But even there are certain communities where females are play a vital role. So females dominate in a family. So it depends upon the community, it depends upon the families, it depends upon the places. Which one is which person, which sex is dominant, male dominate or female dominant? By the time everyone knows, in my family, my father is dominating, so I also will be dominating person. Okay, I won't allow anybody to dominate me or dominate my family. I would do or die is my role. There are certain families where a female is dominating. Please understand, when a person marries, okay, you have two different families, not only two different mind, two different families. So almost so many minds going to role play the entire couple. So it will be very tough. So for that matter, I will tell you one bottom line: for a male, his partner, his honey, his sweetheart is more important than anybody else. For a female, is a handsome male, his caretaker, a person is going to give a not only enjoyment in the matter of sex, a person who is going to give a security. For a female, male is a security. He is more important than anybody else. This is a rule of thumb. If you guys understand, if you girls understand that, nothing else will come into your mind. Your in-laws, your mother, brother, father, sister, nobody will come into your mind. Yeah, he is my partner. He is my soul. He is my whatever terminology you put. I can always tell concept is like a family. The family run by Rajamendran and myself. Sometimes he will be irritated. Sometimes I will be irritated. Sometimes he give up. Sometimes I give up. There won't be any controversies. So the concept families will be continuing for everlasting. I'm married. I'm having 2 kids. The same thing I apply. Sometimes my partner will be irritated. Sometimes I will be irritated. When you give, yeah, you are my wife, man. You are my sweetheart. Why should I be tremendously irritated? This maturity will come only matter of 7 years or 5 years, or at least after 2 years. Not in the matter of first 2 years. After 2 years only, many successful couple continues after 2 years. So the first 2 years, never ever listen to your partner, in-law, that is partner parents. That is your father-in-law or mother-in-law. Neither your father or mother or your brother or sister. For you, your partner is the most important person. If you don't listen to them, but tell, yes ma, I will do it ma, yes brother, yeah, you are always giving a good suggestion, but don't apply with your partner. Same thing for always for a woman, her mother-in-law is a villain. That is a universal rule. So don't try to make your mother and your wife close. If you don't do that, your life will be jingalala. Okay, don't try to make your mother and your wife together. Never. If you do it, the life will be terrible, my dear friends. Don't try to do that. Once you get a child, your mother-in-law, your mother, your father-in-law, your father, your sister, your whatever terminology in relationship, everyone are important to take care of your kids. Until that, don't listen to anyone's words. That is a rule of thumb. We'll go to the so many messages are there. Minimal questions to attempt. Don't worry, man. Those things we will answer later. Pritesh Singh for I don't know. Definitely I don't know if you have already read Pradesh Singh. Please go ahead. I don't say no. Balian love from concept notes are sufficient. Yes, that is most sufficient. That was a feedback from the last year students. How to schedule proper revision? See, revision as a division. Anil, good rhythm. See, what I want to suggest is, in a day, don't try to read urology 10 days and Bailey 10 days like that. Rather than that, what you can do in a day, if you have a 10 hours, efficient 10 hours or efficient 15 hours, whatever time, whichever is available out of 100%, you give 60% for urology and 40% for Balian law. Like the same the examiner asks, your day also you divide 60% for urology from Campbell, 40% from the Balian law, so that the time management will be easy. New Campbell review, solve or not? Tripathi, I don't recommend you to solve right now. If at all you have already listened to the update class, please listen. And another good announcement for all dear conceptians. For all conceptians, whoever has given Delhi and Chennai class, the next 1 month, okay, all the recorded 12th edition video class will be absolutely free for everyone. We will be giving, our team has decided for that. We are going to give absolutely free for everyone. So people who were attended the class, don't tell, sir, I attended the class. You might have told me that day itself. For you, I am telling again, the interaction is more important than listening. Okay. So you are blessed with the interaction. Don't ask us to refund the amount. Okay. This is out of happiness we are giving. Okay. Don't put some block for those things. Okay. You enjoyed the class for the amount you paid, and that's bonuses. We are giving a video for you already, because nobody will give a video for 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. This is again for the passion we gave the video. So for all dear conceptians who attended Chennai urology class and Delhi urology class, the next 1 month, the 12th edition update will be available. So rather than going for your Campbell review, I request you to, if you want, listen the class, because it is absolutely free for everyone. Read, review, or Parag Gupta, whatever is revision, controversy, answer from Bailey or Sabiston, definitely most of the questions have been asked from the Balian law. So stick on to the Balian law. Don't go to the Sabiston. One should not marry before MCH. It spoils exam. So it is with a lot of pain. Ashraf has joined. Ashraf has shared his views. True, my dear friend. But don't think, Ashraf, every issue or every experience, marriage is an experience. Everything gives a maturity, I can say, Ashraf. So don't feel for that. If you are married person, or if your friends, someone are married and you feel for him, don't feel like that. Marriage is an experience. By this time, he will be matured. And listen to Anton words. That's a golden words. Baby, sweetheart, how are you? Had your food? How is your mother? If she has a sister, but if she is good looking, don't ask, how is your sister? Then again, you will have a hell. If she is average looking girl, or if she is a very small girl, ask her, how is your sister is preparing? Put some words that you are taking care of their family. They will not come out from their parents. Since being married doesn't mean she has to be cut off totally from their family mentally and physically. It is not possible. It is not necessary also. After 2-3 years, they will come out mentally, because they will feel my husband is important, my wife is important, my kids are important. Okay. So until that, always tell, because I always tell the conceptians are more mature than anybody else, because my words are sharing and wisdom for you guys and girls. See, if a female urologist is listening here, your life, because when you tune a female, because female is the real boss, whether she is dominating or not, she is the heartbeat of a family, I can say. Without a female, the heartbeat stops. If a female urologist are listening here, they are really blessed, because your life will become awesome after listening to the words of words and wisdom from here. Always consider the partner family by telling, how is your mom, how is your dad? That gives some console. Everyone has a right to tell, I don't like this, but in a way, don't throw temper tantrums. Okay. So this all you have to manage. Marriage will make everyone mature. So don't worry, Ashraf. He will handle the questions in a matured way. You are the master of this game, as per my perception. Thank you, my dear friend. I'm not a master, my dear friend. I'm just sharing my views. Because a lot of things I am learning from you guys. Whenever I teach you guys, I'm learning. Should we solve any question bank right now? Already you might have solved many question banks. If you have a time, please do that. But everything for next 1 month. After July 7th, only revision. No business of working out question banks. Whatever you want to work up, whatever you want to, whatever the place you are weak, just do it in the matter of next 25 days. Nothing else after July 7. After July 7, strictly up to September 15th, only revision, 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 nothing else. I said for general surgery, if you are already given a Pritesh Singh, please read that. If you are already read surgery sixer, please read that. If you are listen to the surgery sixer, please listen to that. If you attended the concept class, please read that material alone enough, because the question comes from only the Balian law. Pritesh Singh or Rajamendran, which one is better? Rajamendran is my partner. I can't tell my partner is wrong. 1 second, my dear friends. Yeah. Yeah, I'm back, my dear friends. So Rajamendran is my beloved partner. I can't say I have never read Pritesh Singh, but the Rajamendran book is really good. A lot of stuffs are there. Definitely, you have to select the reading. If you have read Pritesh Singh, please go ahead. If you have read Rajamendran book, please go ahead with that. If anybody is there listening or going to read as a final year resident or a second year resident, I can recommend my partner Rajamendran book. Definitely, a lot of questions have been asked from PGI Chandigarh also, but there was a feedback from Ankur. So I can definitely recommend Rajamendran book. Not only merely for my partner, his book is proved for his content. But for whoever has given a concept Bailey class, need super specialty comes from exclusive from Bailey and Love. So stick on to that. Marriage is a strategy played by elder to push the couple into volcano. Yes, give and take. Yeah, I have talked enormously about marriage. No more discussion. So I am PG exam going. I am preparing for NEET SS 2021. Should I read concept urology notes, Campbell review, Bailey, any extra thing? That is enough, my dear friend. Nothing else is warranted. Okay. NEET super specialty 2021 you want to give. Okay, then you add not that time concept update will be there. 12th edition update will be there. We are going to give a lot of visions we have in this upcoming classes for 2021 super specialty exam, that we will share it in the pamphlet, my dear friend. I think that is not needed at this point of time for beloved exam going students. Sir, for controversies, answer Balian law, which are, I request everyone to stick to Balian law. Okay, any role for Sabistan? Sabistan for onco surgery resident, for gastro residents, Sabistan is the book of choice. Okay, want more session like this, please? We'll try, my dear friends. Time management for revision, I told you 60-40, and you divide the whatever available chapters content. If you have a concept book, the concept book material contains almost 3,000 pages. Divide the pages, and you have your own timetable. And I told you, the timetable are all for your convenience, because one may be strong in tumor, another may be strong in first 20 chapters. So first 20 chapter, whoever is very strong, it will go fast. So tumor, whoever is weak, it may go slow. So you may to increase the time for tumor and decrease the time for first 20 chapters. Do it accordingly. So yes, you are true. Some questions, like 1 or 2 questions is that was the word. 2 questions exactly came from out of Balian law. But if you have already read Balian, Sabistan, please do that. But majority, see, already we have Campbell. Already we have a Balian law. Already some points in bleeding, blood transfusion, controversies on Bailey and Love and Campbell. Again, one more book you add, Sabistan, and you won't know whether this is a book from points from the Sabistan or Campbell or Bailey and Love. So lots of it will lead to a lot of confusion, my dear friends. Stick to the Bailey and Love and Campbell. Revise Parag Gupta if time permits. Parag Gupta has a lot of mistakes. So you know that very well. So work accordingly. Concept general surgery notes has many empty pages. Okay. Yeah, please share it with me. I will ask Rajamendran to fill that and help you guys. Robin, yes, up to the exam September not 15. I won't keep up to September 15 because you have a tendency to, before the exam, you tendency to go and see the video. I will keep it up to September 7. Up to September 7, videos and online questions will be available. After that, it will be closed, because if you start reading that time, it will produce unnecessary stress. I'm warning, guys. It is not a matter of keeping the videos for September 15th. I want you guys to be a winner. I don't want anybody to be stressed. Maximum by September 7. In fact, even by September 3 also, we may close all Q banks and videos. Okay, so don't ask. Any option for those who could not attend concept 12th edition. If you are conceptian, it will be free of cost. If you are not a conceptian, it will be available for a fee. Video till exam, please keep the videos. Yes. Paul, picture based class, we will plan one picture based class one day exclusively before July end. We will plan a picture based class. I am from PG. I have bought the correspondence course but did not attend the class. How can I assess the class? I have bought the correspondence course. You can, whoever have attended the regular course, I can give free of cost for video. Other people have to pay a minimal amount. One-liners versus long question. Expectation. Expect a long question. Expect the question which occupies the entire system. Okay. Don't expect a one-line question. One-line question may be 20% or 30%. Be ready for big question, image-based question. So this is July 7. So July 31. July has 31 days. Yeah. If July or 30, July 30 or 31, wait for the announcement. We will give a 3 hours image-based video, picture-based videos. Yes. We were diving. NEET PG was NEET PG was lengthy questions. Same thing will also happen here. Marriage is diving, diving from space without parachute. See, life without partner also won't be good, man. I will tell you one thing. So we started concept for a NEET for that time All India PG and Tamil Nadu PG exams when I was 27 years. That is by 2009 we started. So 2009 we started. By 27th year I am saying concept started. My age was 27 when I started after my MS. So for 1 year students have got 8 out of 50 students read 7, 8 got a seat. The next year itself in a Tamil Nadu PG exam, conceptians were state first, many ranker in top 20 also. So by 29, when I was 29, my brother married. Okay, so he did his PhD and so he delayed his marriage. So everyone will have a anticipation for marriage. People on unmarried person will want to marry. Okay, that's a nature instinct. So even though married person feel like I might have unmarried, that kind of feel I should be a bachelor, that kind of feel might be there, but it won't be everlasting. So after class, I will be giving the best class. My toppers, my students will be lots and lots of toppers, but my parents won't know how to encourage me. My partner Raja Mahendran will go with his partner. Okay, I will be standing alone. Imagine. So for anybody, partner is a companion. Feel like she is a friend or he is a friend. Your life will be very good. Okay, and try to tell a lot of lies with your partner, man. Lies in the sense, I tell always one point: nobody should be involved in adultery. Other than that, tell Humpty number of lies. You are looking awesome today. Definitely, she may not be looking good that day, but you tell her you are looking very beautiful. You are looking so energetic. You may feel she is dull, but by telling that, she will be happy, you will be happy, family will be happy. Partners, life, family without a partner is definitely a tough question. NEET questions are becoming more conceptual. Yes, I told you, no. So for example, for a carcinoma penis, they can put a more conceptual question. So they can a young man want to retain his penis, is a tumor in the glands penis, and he recently married, and after radiation he developed kind of complication. His partner doesn't like that complication. So what is that complication? Like I told you, no, mucositis. Those things they can that is moist desquamation of the skin. Okay, that kind of complication, rather than putting a direct word, they can put a conceptual question like that. Okay, moist desquamation of skin. Okay, that is a complication, most common acute complication. Like that you can expect definitely. Question banks during revision time, both concept Bailey. Oh my God, Sricharan. Nearly 3,000 plus questions in Campbell. Nearly 3,000 plus question in Bailey and Love. I can tell you the areas which you feel very dry. Okay, the chapters which you are feeling very dry. In that area, please give a question from the chapter-wise question paper. Okay, Sricharan. Don't take everything like that, because it will be really tough for you to read every Q bank and revise that parallelly. The time it won't be easy to manage your time, my dear friend. So the place wherever you feel gray zone, give that question bank. Any option, I told you, it will be available. It will be available for people non-conceptians. The Zoom app 12th edition update will be available for a small price. Orthopedic section, just read some points from the tumor, and orthopedic section generally they won't ask, but tumors still they can ask. Read something from the tumors and read something from adamantinoma, all those things. Still, my final exam year is not over. I'm posted on COVID duty in Chennai. Will I be eligible for write the exam? You will be definitely. You should be eligible, man. Give the exam and put a case letter. Okay, you should write this exam. Why the NB is not allowing urology question after general surgery question when choose 2 courses? Urology question after general surgery question. I don't get your question, man. Which chapter of second volume should we read? Shiva Prasad, I told the high yield area, specific second volume and all, please don't ask. I told you the high yield area. How many times revision in the last 2 months? Desai, you revise as many times as possible. And I can tell you another secret for people like toppers who have already given a wonderful exam. I can give you few secrets. Okay, sir, I am very thorough, sir. I missed the AIIMS by in a narrow 0.3 marks. I missed the AIIMS exam. In PG, I also missed in a very narrow manner. I am very master in my content. I will tell you, in the up to June, that is this is July 7, August 7, you put your own protocol of revision. Okay, so give the revise, put a revision. For example, 7 days you try to revise entire Campbell. 3 days you try to revise entire Bailey and Love. Okay, and give a test in Campbell, 1 full test, and Bailey 1 full test. Okay, give like that test. It will be useful. I think that will help you, my dear friends. So for people who have given nicely, read nicely, you can revise as many times as possible. For people who have not read nicely, by July 7th, you might be completing Bailey and Campbell. From July 7th to September 7th, 7 days is totally won't be under your control. Okay. So sometimes you always expect the last 7 days is some googly, some kind of problem will happen. Your mind should be ready. Okay. Yeah, I will face some problem before the exam. So last 7 days is not for me. That is for God. Okay. So I am ready to face some physical problem or some family issues or some government NAT board issues. They will say they will delay the hall ticket. That will definitely irritate you. That time you can't, it will be tough to open the book and read. So last 7 days is not for you. So like that, in those 30 days, I can tell you, you try to revise twice. That is sufficient. Applied to revision and not attended offline classes, for those videos will be available. Yes, available, man. Already all of you whoever attended the video update class, it is available for them. How to effectively revise bookmark question, which should add in noted and revise there only. See, I told you for the tumors, remember T3 staging. That is high yield area for tumors. And remember stage 4. And remember most common site of metastasis. Consolidate. Okay, if you have a guys, Zoom app is available now, or Geo has brought the Geo app. Put an app and make your team 3 or 4 members to sit and discuss post lunch after 3 o'clock. 3 or 4 of you guys at different parts of the state, different parts of the district, sit and discuss. So it will be good. Okay. I don't close the question bank, dear my dear friend. Up to September 7, I will keep it, man. After September 7, don't keep it anything. Is a general rule of thumb we follow for last 12 years. After September 7, whatever you have, you want to take a note, please take a note before that. Don't try to. I don't understand. Just we will. I will make it open for you guys. For concept notes by pay, please take the helpline number and get a correspondence material, my dear friends. Ashraf, I understand, Ashraf. We are giving notes, but you understand the COVID. A lot of issues are there. Still, when postal work or courier service works, you will get it. When the next concept regular course happen, given the current pandemic? So we are planning for 2 things. If pandemic settle down by November, December, some vaccines or drugs available. November there will be class. November or December there will be class. If not, we are planning to bring entire classes as a video lecture for almost I think we are planning for 100 plus hours. Nearly it will come 125 to 130 hours. Okay, that's what we have planned. So it will be available by December end. In addition to that, live lectures are always superior because you get the consolidated content. Live lectures, I always vote for live lectures. So, but many ask for the video lectures also. So video lectures we are planning definitely before December 2020 it will be available. Live lectures probably if November pandemic is over, by November it will be there. Stretching exercise, definitely. Sir, once I said you are looking like butterfly. She said, I want to fly. I don't get you. I am very poor in English. Does not has name, it has number. So difficult to identify chapter wise. Anil, kindly excuse me, pa. For first time, you just make it chapter, identify the chapter wise and make use of it. We will update shortly, pa. Yeah, one question, some questions. One humble request, many questions in both concept and Q banks are right, wrong, kindly correct them, sir, please. Yes, yeah, 12th edition update is going to happen. See, these all are being said by the your last year toppers only. And the first year residents in various specialties have done the job. But still, if there's issues, definitely we will our team, I will ask them to rectify, Arvind. Definitely, my dear. We will make question bank chapter wise here afterwards with a name, chapter name like trauma, tumors, like that. Yes, we will do it. Question banks updates needed. We'll try, my dear. Will this class be available in app? Yes, this will be available in app. So last time NEET SS I choose Euro and ANCO, but ANCO question came first than my first preference of Euro. Should I drop the other option as I am Euro aspirant repeater? This is a personalized one, my dear friend Vinayak. Very personalized one. What is wrong in that? If you onco, but I always tell onco is always very tough. Urology is tough. Gastro is tough. You choose two things: urology. If you are, I said like only urology. I want only one specialty, that is urology, none other than that. Then you can choose only urology. That that is a matter of subjective, my dear friends. Okay. I told you always, urology is very, I will tell you the points of urology. Urology is unique. U for unique. Lots of subspecialty. No one can dominate urology other than cancer. That also oncosurgeon will ask for the help for T or BT. None of the oncosurgeon does to do a endoscopic procedure. They will ask for the help. They are very not many oncosurgeons are good in laparoscopy. So if you learn a laparoscopy as a urologist with a laparoscopic urologist are number one in the super specialty, I can say. Because urology already is a minimally invasive field. Laparoscopy setting up is a wonderful option. Okay, no one can match with your not with your with our specialty, my dear friend. Urology is so creamy. Okay, so appendix I can do. Bowel surgeries I can do. Some grafting, skin graft I can do. Okay, that's the uniqueness of urology. But even though neurosurgery and cardiothoracic surgery are real end specialty, cardiothoracic surgery needs a big team. Urology, even you can have a small 600 square feet theater to do a URS and TURP. Your bread and butter will always be there. Okay, and neurosurgery will have a lot of. If you are a neurosurgery aspirant, choose spine, because spine surgery is like a laminectomy. You can specialize, because neurosurgery, lot of complication. The trauma, 3 to 4 hours you have to operate. Otherwise, the patient will have its own sequelae. Lot of things are there. But if you are a neurosurgeon, you want to be a passionate neurosurgeon, choose base of the skull surgery, like a pituitary tumor or a CP angle tumors or other base of skull tumors. Like that you plan. Okay. Okay, Arvind, the 12th edition based update will be done after September. We will in a QBank we will put first one index like this chapter. These are the chapters like that. We will plan. And I request the toppers who are going to be a topper after this exam, come back and support, my dear friends. Okay. This is actually a real energy and passion. If you support us, definitely it add up our happiness. And this is going to be for your juniors who are going to be a benefiter of your support. Question bank need update the answer, name the chapters, then number. Okay, my dear friend. You can listen to videos again, my dear friend. Please say something about last day before exam. We'll come back on July 7th for last days before the exam. I have not prepared for that. Summarize the plan final date wise. So repeating the plan by July 7th, make a complete revision of urology and Bailey and Love. 60% daily read urology, 40% daily you read Bailey and Love. After July 7, after giving your test, don't worry about the rank. We won't be giving the rank also. Okay, this is the exam for you to practice. There won't be any rank. Okay, it is like a giving cycle for everyone to make a ride. Okay. So we won't give a rank. Don't ask who is the first rank or second rank. Definitely 100% we won't give the rank. Okay. So after that, please revise as many times as possible for you. If you are not read Paragupta, not necessary. Face-to-face class will be planned on November. Arrange Kolkata class. Paul, will be difficult only in Chennai and Delhi. Section A, when we attended Euro paper. Oh, Sumit, please repeat. I'm saying when you attend a Euro paper, yes, out of 100 questions, you can come at any time. Okay, am I right? They won't froze that in that. Section A, if you have selected, froze section A when we attended Euro paper. If you suppose something, every time the NAT board will bring some new concepts. Okay, if 60 questions they froze, please revise those 60 questions first. Okay, Bailey and Love, next 40 question comes. Please read it. Please read it and work out accordingly. Don't try to finish off 100 questions and then come. Please give the 100%. Please give the practice questions given by NAT board exam. Which second specialty choose along with urology? That is subjective, my dear friend. As you like, you choose. Campbell means 3 volume or review 12th edition. Campbell means whole 3 volume or 12th edition. I am not asking anybody to read the book at this point of time, my dear friend. I always tell you read the 11th edition and listen to the update of Zoom if you want. So while Euro paper straight away we could give only one paper. While Euro paper straight away we could give only one paper. Sumit, please raise your hand. If possible, I asked to unmute. I think unmuting option is not there. Sumit. Yeah, Sumit, please please unmute and please raise your query. I don't get your query, my dear.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Sumit, you can talk now.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Sir, what I was saying ki, suppose we had chosen 2 papers.
Sumit?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Please talk. I don't understand.
Am I audible, sir?
Or please put in a personal message. I will answer your question in the July 7th talk. Thank you, my dear friends. Any more questions? Please keep your question for what is the secret of your energy? You guys are the secret of my energy, my dear friend. I love this job. I love to coach. I love to teach. I love to spread energy. That's the secret. If you choose only one example, urology, first general surgery open and next urology. First general surgery open and next urology. Yes, you can. That is that I will explore and tell, Pankaj. Next time I will explore and tell. Okay, that's the pattern. I got the point. I will give some time to think. I will tell you on the July 7th. Yes, Pankaj. Pankaj, you come to my line. You come to my line. We will discuss. And that point I will give as a guidance by July 7th. Yes. Shall we leave, my dear friends? Shall we leave? Yes. High yield area in uro is tumors, especially testicular tumor, undescended testis in pediatric surgery, hypospadias in pediatric surgery, and all in small miscellaneous tumors, all in anatomy like smaller organ like vas deferens, seminal vesicles, questions from yeah, seminal vesicle and vas deferens are the prostatic utricle, verumontanum, all those things. Tumor, stone, trauma, prostate, benign prostate hyperplasia, prostatic carcinoma, all those things are high yield area. Thank you, dear friends. Jai Hind. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. July 7th, we have a test. July 7th, we will have another Zoom discussion. Bye. Jai Hind. Sorry, August 7th. August 7th. Today. August 7th. Yes. August 7th, we will meet again. Bye. Bye. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Hey, iPhone, change your name, man. OnePlus, change your name. Sir is not hypoglycemic. Sir has full energy. Put your name, man. Bye. Bye, Pratyusha. Bye. Siraj, bye. Yeah.